Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 15th to the 21st. A very good ad. We got some solid deals here. The first thing I would like to do though before we dive into this week's deals is I made a video yesterday about IBOTTA. And sometimes when you have your account linked with your IBOTTA account, especially if there's a rebate that's expiring in 12 hours or there's only a limited amount left or something weird, if you have your account automatically linked to your store card, sometimes it takes like 12 hours to process and you might miss out on rebates or rebates might not get picked up. I made a video on how to unlink this on your IBOTTA account. It was one of those moments for me, I'm like, I had no idea. And a lot of you were in the same boat, specifically at Walmart, Target, Meijer, those stores. So check out this video. I'll link it in the notes and at the very end, lots of great information if you are a frequent IBOTTA shopper and if you've linked an account and you don't get half of your rebates. It happens to a lot of us. Check out that video. Okay, and to my surprise and delight, one of my accounts got a booster, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $22. Only one received it. So you find it at the top of your digital coupons folder. It's always a year, mileage may vary. I would have loved to have got it on both, but one is better than none, I guess. So the dates it's valid, it's from the 15th to the 21st. It is okay to stack one paper and one digital booster. That works. It is of a one-time use. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, IVCs, or it will mess everything up. So the first two deals we're going to look at, if you wish to do them today, which is Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th. You can do them in store or as a curbside. So the first one is this Bactine Max. It's a healing scar thing. First aid, if you probably need this for your stockpile for your first aid kit. Usually somebody takes a tumble in the summertime and you need something like this to help with scarring and such. Over on your IBOTTA account, double, triple check that you have this rebate. It's $5 back for this Bactine product. So how lovely is that? So that is really awesome. And we have the IVC coupon, which is a $2 off of one of these Bactine products. So that is really super uber awesome. Plus $1.50 manufacturer. So they are not messing around with this Bactine stuff. And I mean, it's just good to have this stuff on hand for a first aid kit, in case something happens. Here's the math. Grabbing one of these Bactines for $9.99, subtracting the digital, which is $1.50 off, along with the IVC, you're left with paying $6.49. You're getting $5 back from IBOTTA, dropping this down to $1.49. This is the curbside cost. In store, I'm not sure if that'll be a little bit more or what, just to note that. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're doing this guy on its own, absolutely go for it. And if you're buying this as a curbside, lastly, you're going to be 1 penny short, so maybe grab a 100 grand bar and do that quarter rebate too for that little candy bar. Okay, so this deal I'm going to say is just a curbside one for this Hempz original lotion. So the original price for this is always usually $19.99 in store, but it's $16.99 right now as a curbside. Will that be the same price next week? Possibly, maybe. Shopkick's giving back 1,000 points for this product. So that is $4 right there. And if you like the Hempz, it's either the original or the sensitive skin. You know that this is a quality product. So as a curbside deal, grabbing one for $16.99, you're going to pay that and cry a little bit. Get back 1,000 points from Shopkick, which is $4, making it $12.99. Now, if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Double, triple check these prices on May the 15th. If that's a monthly deal where it's $16.99, by all means, if this is your favorite lotion, we rarely get deals on Hempz, and this is a good one. Okay, so the first little dealio we're going to talk about is a deal of the week with the Pantene shampoo or conditioner for $4. We have a 3 off of 3 digital, plus earn a $4 store register reward when you buy 2 of them. So what we're going to do for this deal, guys, is grab 3 of the Pantene shampoos. That's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 3, you're paying 9 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward, making this $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per shampoo or conditioner. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, absolutely go for it. As this is the middle of the month, a lot of the P&G digital coupons are expiring, including the one for Olay. We had a 4 off a 2. We have $1 off. I wouldn't send you to the store with $1 off coupon for this. I mean, whoa, it's way too rich for everybody, including myself. But this is another buy two, get a $4 store register reward. Maybe they'll give us a really generous one. So we'll have to be on the lookout for that on Sunday morning, any digitals that might pop up. Along with this, all of the Crest coupons are expiring, and they say like there isn't one right now that we know of. So if there's a really generous Crest coupon, this also might be a deal as a deal of the week. And with that, if you were going to get the Pantene and the Crest, you'd have to break it up in separate transactions as the deal of the week. Only one register reward will print per transaction, just to note that. But we always have a deal for toothpaste. I know a lot of you hate these toothpaste deals. $2.99, we have $1 digital. Earn a $4 manufacturer register reward when you buy two. Grabbing two of the Colgates for $5.98. They're $2.99 a pop. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $4.98 out of pocket. Getting back $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the two, or like 48 cents per tube. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're doing this without a booster, absolutely go for it. Okay, so this is back 2 for $11. Buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. Now, the last couple of times, I always have to buy the like products or the register reward doesn't print. So I'm usually grabbing the Tide liquid. Also with this booster, as it's 2 for $11, grabbing 4, that's $22 on the nose. So why don't we throw this guy in to make a little magic happen? Like, why not? So grabbing 4 of these Tide detergents, that's $22. Make sure that you have your booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $22. You'll pay $22 out of pocket and cry a little bit. Get back a $6 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $11 for the 4 or $2.75 per Tide. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay. As we're using that booster, it will mess everything up. Now, looking at the gain, it's 4 for $16. So usually it's like the fabric softener, the pods, the liquid, that good stuff. So if you might have a $4 store register reward, you got to spend it. So why not use one of them in this transaction? So we'll use just one for this deal. So we're going to grab 4 of the Gain flings or detergent, whatever you wish to grab. That's 16 on the nose. Subtracting the $4 store register reward, and I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it on your store card, and pay $2 plus tax. I just think this is a super smart flip, especially if you're a newer couponer and you're trying to build your stockpile and you want to do a deal without a booster, just a deal on its own. This might be one for you to get some very inexpensive gain. I think it's a smart deal. Okay, now we're just going to do a couple rapid fire sort of deals. We have the Palmolive dish detergent for 99 cents. Subtracting a 50-cent digital, it's 49 cents. This is an 8-ounce bottle, so it is itty bitty, but I guess it's better than a kick in the pants. And then we have this 3-pack of the Renewza cones for $2.99. We have a $1 digital coupon, so it's going to drop it down to $1.99 for 3 Renewza cones. This might be a deal for you. And then the Whole Blends by Garnier, 2 for $7. We have a 4 off of 2 digital that will be showing up on Sunday morning. So after that digital coupon, it's $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo and conditioner. And a quick diaper deal. So the Pampers are 2 for $20. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. Earn a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Now, if you might have one of these guys laying around, why not toss it into this deal, which is a $4 store register reward. Grabbing 2 bags of the Pamper for $20 on the nose, subtract the 3 off of 2 digital, the $4 store register reward. You're going to pay $13 out of pocket, get back your $5 register reward, making it $8 for the 2. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it if you're doing this deal without a booster. Okay, so now we're just going to blast through a couple honorable mentions. The first one, a lot of these multivitamins, sleep supplements, all that magic, a lot of it's on clearance. So you might want to double, triple check the tags. $5 when you buy 2. Maybe it'll print for some of this clearance stuff. Maybe it won't, but it's worth a try. We're also going to have to check the price points on Sunday morning for some of this Rimmel Cosmetics at 40% off. What digital coupons will we have? What won't we have? But it's 40% off right off the bat. Okay. And then the foil, if you're an avid griller, 2 for $2, so $1 each. That is a very good price point. Okay, and then the Coke is 3 for $12.99. It's a 12 pack, and then the 12 pack of the Pepsi is buy two, get one for free. I know there was some sort of goofy coupon, like a 3 off a 2 or something like that. You might want to check with your digital coupons, scan the barcode, see if you can save a little bit more on these soft drinks. And the Pringles, 3 for $4 when the original price for one tube is $2.19. You have a little bit of savings on some snacks right there. And 2 for $5 for the Doritos. That is a very good price point, along with 2 for $5 for the Lay's. I think it's the same company. So if you have a Doritos addict in your house, this might be a deal for you. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.